Thank you, Mike, and thank you, Shares Magazine, for partnering this event with us, and thank you for all your support. And as importantly, thank you all for attending. I appreciate Saturday morning, early start. It's a fantastic turnout, and really do appreciate all of you coming here today. As Mike says, this is our first ever stock market show, and we're absolutely delighted to be part of it. And we really do think this is a truly unique opportunity and event to actually meet CEOs of companies, meet some tremendous experts within the field, all here, all in one place, and dare I say it, free. So I'm going to be very brief, but why do we feel an event like this is so important? And as Mike said, why do we feel the education and understanding of these markets are so critical to all of us as citizens here of the UK? And really, the reality is we are living in an incredibly important juncture in financial history. We've all just been through one of the most significant economic and financial crises for a number of generations, hopefully for a number of generations to come as well. So in a sense, we don't want to go through it again. And we're literally only just recovering through that. But one of the key parts of that recovery, and one of the key issues that whole process has outlined, is that we really have to think as a society and as an economy how we fund our economy. And the funding of it through bank intermediation really has had a huge impact and has to change. We need to fund our economy much more directly, straight into the companies, either in the form of debt or equity, and in fact, actually particularly in the form of equity, because another great lesson of the crisis is really all about leverage, and we do need to deleverage, and we do need to recover the understanding and the pleasures, but also the importance of investing in equity. We are seeing encouraging signs that this is happening. The shifts are slowly occurring. 2014 has been a fantastically strong market for IPOs, and we've seen a great array of very exciting companies coming to the market, both small and large. We've had over 109 IPOs on our markets this year, and over £15 billion have been raised. As part of that, AIM has raised, our junior market, has raised nearly over half of those companies come from AIM, and really representing a huge array of the interesting and exciting companies in our economy that are going to grow, are going to provide the real opportunity for employment, and more importantly, imply the real exciting opportunity for investment. And it's across many sectors, whether it's tech, biotech, traditional sort of retail or manufacturing. It's a tremendous array of companies that are coming through. Now, in the background of this, two government policy changes in the last year designed to help that shift into direct investment have actually been hugely helpful, and to their credit, the government has been listening. One has been the abolition of stamp duty on the AIM market, which again is very helpful, and hopefully it puts more money back in your pocket. And two has also been the inclusion of AIM stocks within ISAs. Both those measures have had significant impact on these markets. We've seen significantly more funds allocated to the AIM market, but quite critically, one of the historic issues of AIM has been liquidity, the ability for you guys to actually buy and sell and trade in AIM. And actually over the last 12 months, liquidity on the AIM market has gone up over 50%, which is great news for everyone to be able to actually buy and sell those shares. Now there's another government initiative coming down the line, which you again will all be familiar with the pension changes and the changes of annuity. And alongside the consequence that the crisis has produced, which is basically very low and persistent interest rates. As I said, we as investors have to find a way of directly investing into our economy. Investing through the banking system in our economy is just producing incredibly low returns for you. Interest rates are extraordinarily low. So really today is a fantastic time to spend that time to really explore the opportunity of that direct investment in shares and in bonds. And as Mike said, that is really what this show is all about. It's a unique opportunity to meet a series of CEOs and companies and a series of experts to really get that knowledge and insight in direct investment. So again, thank you enormously for coming. I hugely appreciate a turnout of this scale early on a Saturday morning. I hope you get a tremendous amount out of today. Again, I would like to thank Shares Magazine for all their efforts and partnership with this, as well as all the other contributors today who've really helped to hopefully put on a great show for you. So, may I just simply say, have a great day. Thank you.